Hi, in this video I'll be showing some of the steps involved in casting this 3D printed Easter Island head in brass. This is to give you some ideas of what objects can be made in metal by printing your own patterns. The part I'm casting is 35mm tall and was printed on my Ultimaker original at a layer height of 0.2mm. I made the mould using oil-bonded sand similar to Petrobond, which captures very fine detail and is great to work with. It's almost like working with clay. This is a single piece or odd side pattern, but there are many other types of pattern. I'll be covering mould making in a future video, so hit the on-screen subscribe button to get the latest updates. This is my prototype furnace and runs on diesel. The graphite crucible I'm using here is rated at 2000 degrees Celsius and can hold 1 kilogram of aluminium or 2.5 kilograms of brass. Brass melts between 900 and 950 degrees Celsius depending on the alloy, and it takes 30 to 40 minutes to reach pouring temperature. And now for some rousing music. If you would like to find out more about casting your 3D prints in metal, visit www.3dprintfoundry.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.